the differences among yesterday, last night, previous day, etc. Okay, quick challenge before we start. Which sentence is the most correct? A, I met her yesterday night. B, I met her last night. C, I met her yesterday evening night. D, I met her previous night. Tricky, right? If you are 100% sure about your answer, you probably don't need this video. But if you feel confused, stay with me, because this lesson will save you from common mistakes. Let's start from the easiest one. 1. Yesterday. Yesterday means the day before today. For example, I studied English yesterday. Another example, I saw my friend yesterday. Simple, right? Super important. Yesterday is general. It does not tell us the exact time. 2. Last night. Now, last night is very common. It means the night before today. For example, I watched a movie last night. Another example, I slept late last night. Bear in mind, we always say last night, not yesterday night. Say it with me. Last night. 3. Yesterday night. And this is wrong. Yes, I know, this is confusing. Many learners say yesterday night, but this is not natural English. Native speakers don't use it. So instead of, I met her yesterday night, this sentence is wrong and rarely used. You should say, I met her last night. Easy fix. 4. Yesterday morning, or afternoon, or yesterday evening. Now here's something interesting. We can say yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening. For example, I had a meeting yesterday morning. I was busy yesterday afternoon. I relaxed yesterday evening. Very important. We don't say yesterday night instead of last night. 5. Last day, last week, and last year. Now let's talk about last. Last means the most recent one before now. For example, I was busy last week. I traveled last year. But be careful. Last day is not the same as yesterday. Example, my last day at work was Monday. This means the final day, not yesterday. Got it right? 6. Previous day and previous night. Now we move to a more formal style. Previous day and previous night are usually used in writing, reports, or stories. For example, the accident happened the previous night. He felt tired because he didn't sleep well the previous day. Important. These are more formal than yesterday or last night. So in daily conversation, we usually say yesterday or last night. 7. Quick comparison. Very important. Let's make it super clear. Yesterday, it means general day, or the day before today. Yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, meaning specific parts of the day. Last night. Correct expression for night, which means the night before now. Previous day, previous night, or previous plus time, meaning formal use. Yesterday night. It's not natural in English. Now, let's go back to the challenge. Which one was correct? A. I met her yesterday night. B. I met her last night. C. I met her yesterday evening night. D. I met her previous night. So the correct answer is B. Now it's your turn. Write your answer in the comments, and also write one sentence using yesterday, last night, or yesterday evening. I'll check your answers. And remember, small differences can make big improvements in your English.